Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here. Today we're trying something new. Now I have personally never made this before, and I'm gonna call them a Fiesta Burger. You might want to call it a Mexican burger, whatever, it don't matter. I'm gonna call them a Fiesta Burger. These things I think are gonna come together so great. I'm gonna show you the ingredients here in a minute, just a few simple ingredients, and we're gonna have an amazing, I think what's gonna be an amazing burger. We'll find out. But before we get started, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here with us. Ring that bell notification, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment down below, letting us know you're new here, and I'll give you a huge welcome. And also, if you're looking for any other recipes we might have done, go check that link tree down there in the description. It takes you to all our other channels and recipes and all kind of great stuff. But now, if you've been here, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love each and every one of you for all the support you have shown me. Thank you so much. Now, told you about the link tree, told you what we're cooking, asked you to subscribe and give you a thank you. Let's fire this thing up. Let's show you some groceries. Let's get this thing fired up, y'all. As usual, I'm going these 3 burners, leaving this side off in case I need to move something over. But right now, I'm gonna go down to right above low. And if we adjust, we change anything, hey, I'll let you know. Now our ingredients are pretty straightforward. We have some 80-20 ground beef, maybe about 2 pounds here. I do have 1 pound of chorizo sausage. We have some butter. I'm gonna try out this sliced hot jalapeno and habanero jack cheese. We also have some queso cheese we're gonna put on. Got some bell peppers, a few bell peppers here are sliced up, and some red and yellow onion we have sliced up here. And I'm gonna put them on a brioche style bun. We're gonna try that out and see how everything works out. So now while this griddle is heating up, let's go ahead and mix our hamburger meat and chorizo together and make us some patties. All right, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and dump this whole thing of chorizo in here. And y'all, we're just gonna mix this together. We're gonna mix all this hamburger meat and this chorizo together. And I've never tried this before. I'm sure I'm not the first one to ever do it, but I really do believe it's gonna be good. That chorizo sausage has an amazing, amazing flavor. Mixed with this ground beef. I think it's gonna be really good, y'all. And there, I think that's mixed pretty good, y'all. You mix it up, do you think it's mixed really well together? As you see, you kind of turn it over and you kind of see it's all kind of mixed in there together with that ground beef. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I say I've never done this before. So we'll find out, won't we? Let's make some patties up, y'all. Now, I'm not going for smash burgers, so I'm not gonna make these in the ball form. What I want to do is just make a good patty, kind of like that, I guess. I think that might work right there. What y'all think? Let's make some of those up just like that. Now, I think we can get one more out of this, y'all. Oh yeah. There it is. So we ended up with 6 pretty good sized patties right there, I'd say, y'all. Let's go check on this griddle. Y'all, there's smoke coming off this griddle. So let's get some groceries up on this griddle. Now I'm not gonna put down any oil first because this chorizo is gonna have a lot of grease in it, y'all. And the burger has grease in it anyhow, but that chorizo is really, really greasy, but it's so good. As soon as these things hit the griddle, that chorizo is already smelling amazing. I think these burgers are gonna be good, y'all. So while these burgers are going, let's go ahead and throw our peppers and onions on here and get them to going. Put down a little oil for that though. Throw them over here. Throw them over here. Let's get them mixed up really good. Get them spread back out and let them cook. Now, if you noticed, I haven't used any seasoning. The reason being, in my head, it's not always working out, but we'll find out, that the chorizo sausage has an amazing flavor by itself and mixed in the hamburger meat. And these bell peppers and onions already have a great taste anyhow. And with that queso cheese and all the stuff we're gonna put together, I don't really think it's going to need a seasoning because that chorizo, I think, is really going to come through. At least that's what I'm hoping. Man, them burgers are looking good. And as you can see why I said no seasoning. I mean, look at all the seasonings already in them burgers. And these bell peppers and onions are cooking up. Red onions, yellow onions, bell peppers. Beautiful looking burgers. I just every now and then just come in here and give these bell peppers and onions a good stir until them burgers are ready to flip. Oh yeah, them are looking good, y'all. I don't want to cook them too quick, but all I'm trying to do is just kind of soften them up, bring the sweetness out of the onions, soften them bell peppers up just a little bit. Now, quick question. There seems to be debate online. I'm not going to say where, I'm not going to say who, but is this a purple onion or a red onion? You tell me. Let's go ahead and give our burgers a flip. Now, we might flip them several times again. Let's go ahead and flip them nice so that make sure they're not getting burnt on one side. Oh yeah, those things looking good, y'all. Now, as you can see, that chorizo sausage, all that grease coming out of it. Oh yeah, but that's okay. Now, I am going to kind of flatten these out just a little bit. I'm not trying to squeeze them. Just like that right there. Man, these burgers are looking right. Just look how them burgers are cooking up. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so good. These peppers and onions starting to get a little bit of char on them now. Let's give these onions and peppers a little stir. See how they looking. Ooh, that smells amazing too. They're looking really good. They really are. I'm liking that. And yeah, I'm adding some of that juice off them burgers into these peppers and onions with the spatula. Can't hurt. All right, I'm gonna flip these burgers again, y'all. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking real good. Won't be long, they're gonna be done. Won't be long. Now, they're wanting to come apart. Y'all, the burgers are about done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn all the burners down to low. Move these burgers over, kind of clean some of that grease up. We're gonna toast us some buns, melt some cheese, and make us some Fiesta burgers. We'll move the burgers over here, kind of where it's a little cooler. Get my broke burger back here. All right, let's get some of this grease out the way. All right, let's toast up some bun. Let's put some butter down. Could put a good bit of this butter down here. Want a good toasty, buttery bun. Because ain't nothing like getting your buns toasted. Now, while these buns are being toasted, let's throw some cheese on these burgers. I'm thinking one slice of cheese per burger might do it. We are going to add that queso on there later, so let's just get them going for right now. Let's get these over here. Get back on there, cheese. Let's get this on here. Hit it with a little water. All right, let's pop the top and see if we melted that cheese. Oh yeah, it's melted. Peppers and onions are done. Burgers and cheese is done. Let's check on these buns. Done. Let's build some burgers, y'all. Let's stack our buns up over here on the very edge. Like so. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and break out this Blackstone warming rack. This thing is amazing. I love it. Y'all look out, expand me. That's pretty big. That's pretty big. We're gonna put it across here like so. Go ahead and get our buns out here. Look at that toast, y'all. Oh yeah. Ooh, them things are nice and soft too. Ooh. Now, put our burgers on here. Maybe I should have started from the back. Like so. Now, what should I do now? I think I'm gonna put some peppers and onions on them and then put some queso and then we'll top them off. So I think I'm gonna get my tongs out and add these peppers and onions back here on them. Like so. What y'all think about that? It's falling off, y'all. It's falling off. Maybe I should have put the peppers and onions under the cheese. Now I'm going to leave 2 of these without peppers and onions. Because we have some around here who are weird. Honestly, they don't like peppers and onions. I mean, come on. It's a Fiesta Burger. These burgers are coming along amazingly looking. I tell you what. Ooh, we're not done yet, y'all. We are not done yet. All right, y'all. We're fixing to hit this up with some queso. Let's get some queso up on this thing. Now that warm bun is really going to melt down this queso on these things. At least I hope it is. That's what I'm going for. Just a good spoonful on each one. I think that hot jalapeno and habanero jack with this queso is going to be amazing. All right, let's top them off, y'all. Top them off and see what we got here. It's hot. Wow. I don't know how they're going to taste, y'all, but they look amazing. They really do. Oh boy. Burger for days right there. There they are, y'all. What y'all think about these Fiesta burgers? I'm gonna pick this one up right here. I have a napkin handy because I think it's gonna be messy. Queso cheese is delicious. I love queso. And one more thing to do is try it out. Wow. Y'all, you're spot on. Ooh, there's that chorizo. Took a second, but it got there. First thing, you get all that cheese and all the peppers and onions. And then as you notice, that chorizo kind of kicks in, but it's not overpowering. Well, queso falling out of this thing. Be sure you got napkins and eat over your plate because these things are good. I was hoping they'd turn out this good, and I sure am glad they did. So be sure to try these out. Excuse me. Be sure to try these out and let me know what you think. Let me know what else you put on here. Lettuce, onion, tomato, lettuce, tomato, whatever. I think these things are really good like they are. So one more thing. There is a join button down there. If you'd like to join this channel and help support everything we do, we would love to have you. It's not, you don't have to. We still love you either way. We love all the support you've been giving us. Just another option, another way you can help us out here. But anyhow, if you don't, I still love you. If you do, I love you too. I got to finish these burgers, call the kids out here, and we got to go. We'll see you next time.